Okay, so this is a 2001 Ford Focus ZTS. I think all the first generation Focuses are the same, but I was trying to change out all the instrument cluster dashboards, including the climate control. And what I found is the 74E bulb is the smaller bulb here. It comes out of these plastic sockets, so you can get, when you take out the bulb, you have this plastic socket left. Now those just pinch and squeeze in. You can use needle nose pliers to remove them. So yeah, this video is not about removing the cluster or the climate change. There's plenty of videos on that. This is about the bulb, which I couldn't really find. So I ordered 74E bulbs. And here's what I found. They do squeeze into these, but it's not easy. The right bulb is E74. It's the European version of the 74, which is a bit thinner. So what you can do is, because you can use the 74 here and squeeze it, it should be fine, although I would just recommend the right bulb, which is the E74. And here, in the climate control, you have 4 of those, and the same thing, you just twist them off. And what's important to note is these ones will not take the 74. These need to be E74. You will not be able to squeeze them in. The socket is a little bit different. The plastic socket, that it doesn't allow you to use a thicker bulb. Unfortunately, it's like less than a millimeter, but it makes a difference. So what I did is I ordered some, I bought some 74s. I put them in here, and I took some out, put them in here. It's the E74s. So yeah, if you're doing this job, just get the E74. Save yourself some time. And in the case of the 194s, I think you can get away with getting LEDs here. I just tried this out and it worked pretty well, and it's much brighter. So it's an LED bulb in place of a 194, which it's a 194 bulb, but it's an LED. Works really well, and it's a lot brighter, and the dimming still works. So I hope this helps. Cheers.